Hello dear students, welcome to Organic Chemistry Classroom. Today we are going to discuss about a simple and basic reaction called diazotization reaction. Diazotization reaction is a reaction of primary amine, both aliphatic and aromatic primary amines, with NaNO2, sodium nitrate and mineral acid like HCl. Instead of HCl, you can use H2SO4, HBF4, etc. And this reaction is carried out at a low temperature, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. We get diazonium salt. This reaction is called diazotization reaction. So, primary amine, both aliphatic and aromatic primary amine react with nitrous NaNO2, sodium nitrate and HCl at a low temperature. We get diazonium salt. Let us write a general equation for this diazotization reaction. Let me start with aliphatic primary amine. So, aliphatic primary amine can be represented by RNH2. This on reaction with the NaNO2 and HCl, okay, at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, we get Rn plus triple bond N Cl minus. This is alkyl diazonium salt. So, diazo means it have two nitrogen, diazonium means two nitrogen with a positive charge. This can be also written as Rn2 plus Cl minus. So, this is alkyl diazonium salt. These alkyl diazonium salts are highly unstable and easily decomposes to alcohol. I will show you the decomposition reaction, that is N2 plus Cl minus give with the elimination of nitrogen molecule, we get R plus. This is alkyl carbocation, and this alkyl carbocation react with the water present in the medium. So, we have R, O, H and H. Here we have plus charge, and this on deprotonation give alcohol. This is ROH. So, diazonium salt derived from aliphatic amines are highly unstable. So, they easily decomposes to alcohol by reacting with the water molecule present in the reaction medium. Now, let us write the preparation of an aromatic diazonium salt. Let me write it as ArNH2. So, it again react with the NaNO2 and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. We get Arn2 plus Cl minus. This is arene diazonium salt. Okay. So, let me write a specific example. We can take an aromatic compound like aniline. This is an aromatic primary amine. So, when we diazotize it with NaNO2 and HCl 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, we get benzene ring, then N2 plus and Cl minus, and this is called benzene diazonium salt. Okay. So, this benzene diazonium salt is quite stable, and you can use this benzene diazonium salt for converting it into a commercially valuable product like aryl halides, biphenyls, etc. by various reactions. This diazonium salt derived from this aromatic amine is stable because of the resonance structures. I will show you why it is stable. So you have so this is N triple bond N plus. So this is benzene diazonium ion. This is benzene diazonium ion, and this is stabilized by resonance structures. This bond shift to here and this to here. So we get the first resonance structure like this. We have a positive charge here, then double bond N positive charge, double bond N minus, and double bond here. Okay. So the next structure is formed by shifting this bond. Okay, we get the second resonance structure as here is positive charge, double bond, and double bond N plus, double bond N minus. Again, this bond shift to this position and we get a positive charge here, double bond here, and double bond N plus, double bond N minus. So these are the different resonance structures of benzene diazonium ion. So this benzene diazonium ions are quite stable compared to alkyl diazonium salt. Okay. Let me tell you the mechanism of this diazotization reaction. So mechanism. So in the first step, the reagents, that is NaNO2, sodium nitrate and HCl react to form HNO2 and NaCl. Okay. So this HNO2 is called nitrous acid. This is nitrous acid and this is highly unstable acid. This nitrous acid formed in situ react with, let me write the nitrous acid N double bond O. So this is the nitrous acid, that is HNO2, and this get protonated. Okay, this oxygen get protonated and we get OH2 plus charge. This oxygen get protonated and we have N double bond O. Okay, so water is a very good living group and it eliminates one molecule of water and we get N double bond O and a positive charge here. And this is again stabilized by resonance, this bond shift, and we have N triple bond O and a positive charge. So these ions are called nitrosonium ion. Nitrosonium ion. So in diazotization reaction, the electrophilic partner is nitrosonium ion. Okay, this electrophilic part then react with the nucleophilic part, that is amine. So RNH2, so this is the nucleophilic partner and it react with the NO, nitrosonium. So we have R, N, let me write H here, that is NH2, and N double bond O, and this have a positive charge. And in the next step, this get deprotonated. So one water molecule comes and it goes like H3O plus by abstracting the proton. So H2O, that is OH. So this will abstract one proton and it will convert to H3O plus, and the remaining structure is NH, N double bond O. Okay. So this get isomerized in acid medium like this bond shift, and here we have O minus, and this H get attached to this O minus. So what we have is N, here you have a new double bond and again N single bond O minus. That O minus abstract this proton and we get Rn double bond NOH. And this again get protonated. So this oxygen get protonated and we get Rn double bond NOH2 plus charge. We know water molecule is a good living group. So what happens is this shift to here and this water molecule get eliminated. So minus H2O. So remaining we have Rn triple bond N and plus charge. So this is the diazonium ion. So this is diazotization reaction. So in diazotization reaction, both aliphatic and aromatic primary amines get converted into diazonium salt by the reaction with the NaNO2 and HCl at low temperature. This NaNO2 and HCl forms a very unstable acid called nitrous acid, and this nitrous acid liberate the electrophilic partner of this reaction, that is nitrosonium ion, and this nitrosonium ion react with the nucleophilic partner, that is the amine of this reaction to form this diazonium ion. Thank you.